Hello, Craig Proctor System Platinum members, TW here. Check this out. Okay, I went to Google and I Googled up financing options to buy a home. And oh my goodness, look at the search results on this one, 578 million results. Now, why am I doing this? Well, coming up on Tuesday's Platinum webinar, you need this. It doesn't matter whether you're selling one home a year or one home an hour. We're going to walk through the financing tips and tricks to get more clients, okay, and to get more for them. That's right. Financing tips and tricks to get clients more than they want and you get more deals done. Okay, as you can see right here in the promo, real estate agents are famous for not knowing how to put deals together, not knowing how to get financing, not knowing all the various types of ways to use money or get money. And I'm not talking about creative ways. I'm just talking about that exist conventionally. And there are a lot of ways to get financed conventionally that most agents don't even know existed. And if you were to probe most real estate agents, they do not know how to pre-qualify people. They kick it right over to a mortgage person, and then there's stalls and delays on finding out whether your buyer can even buy or not. And by that moment in time, they bought from somebody else. Okay, we're going to cover all of this so that you can help more people make better deals and create better deals. That's it. So that you can help people make better deals and create better deals. This will increase your sales and increase your 5-star reviews and referrals. So here I am. I went to Google, typed in financing options to buy a home, 573 million search results. Okay, no money down, 7 alternatives to traditional mortgage for buying a home. What's the best loan for buying a house? Whether it's mortgage companies or consumers or even HDTV. They're all weighing in on this thing. All right, look, as a real estate professional, you want to know, okay, all the various ways to get financed conventionally. That's first and foremost. Secondly, you should know how to pre-qualify any buyer on the fly. Thirdly, there are tips and tricks that you want to know about that will help you, if you're a listing agent, put more deals together for your seller when you get these offers that could be even better for your customer and even the person buying the house, right? You come out looking like a hero. And how can you use terms to attract more prospects? People buy on terms. Even though there's a lot more cash sales going on right now, most deals are still bought on terms. Okay, so knowing how to use terms in reverse, that is to attract prospects to generate a flow of buyers and sellers using terms, we're going to cover that. So this is going to be a really great platinum session on Tuesday at 4 o'clock Eastern Time, 1 o'clock Pacific. You just got to show up to go up, all right? So we'll see you then. Go ahead and get yourself settled for this one. That's Tuesday at 4 o'clock Eastern, 1 o'clock Pacific. All right, anybody that's on your team that's responsible for selling houses, whether it's buyers or sellers, you want to get them on this session. Financing tips and tricks to get clients more than they want and more deals done. You like it? Yeah, me too. Looking forward to this one. All right, so this will be this is a great learning session. Okay, so we're going to hear from the very top, tippy top members selling hundreds and thousands of houses a year that know how to put deals together in their mind as they materialize. All right, and if you're a real estate professional at any level, you're going to benefit from this. If you want to sell more homes and make more money without giving up your personal life to do it, this is for you. Tuesday at 4 o'clock Eastern, 1 o'clock Pacific, Platinum Rainmaker webinar. And we'll look forward to seeing you then. All right, let me wrap it up with the PS. Okay, we have the Marketing and Money Making Summit coming up May 12th, 13th, and 14th. This is epic, epic, epic. Make sure you're registered. All right, you block out those 3 days to be with Craig Proctor, myself, and our all-star panels so that we can work specifically on that marketing and money making. The two things that make your business go round. All right, so we'll look forward to picking it up there. Tuesday at 4 o'clock Eastern, 1 o'clock Pacific on the Platinum Rainmaker webinar, financing tips and tricks to get clients more than they want and more deals done. All right, guys, until then, go serve big.